Man, you want to talk about a serious fog right now down here in Florida? Tampa area, Brandon. Look at this. That truck is about 2 to 3 car lengths in front of me. About 3 car lengths in front of me. Man, this is, I don't know if I've ever seen it quite as foggy as this, man. It's pretty foggy. I have a little correction to make on the gold video I did recently and silver, talking about the circuit breakers that the CME group is implementing effective December 21st this year, you know, a few days from now. I said it was $400 for gold and $3 for silver. It's actually $400 for gold and $12 for silver, with the circuit breakers kicking in at certain price levels, not at $400 and not at $12, but I believe, for example, there's 4 circuit breakers each for gold and silver. And I want to say that the gold circuit, the first of 4 circuit breakers, kicks in when gold moves $100 in during that trading session for, I think, 5 minutes or something like that. Then trading is resumed. So let's just say, boom, it's up $100. Okay, circuit breaker just kicked in. Okay, no one can trade gold. It's markets are halted at this point. The gold market, anyways. And 5 minutes goes by. Okay, circuit breakers are over. Let's try again. Trading resumes. Now, keep in mind, it was up $100. Trading resumes at that $100 up where it was. Doesn't start back down at where it started off in the day. No, it starts where it left off. It goes up another $100. Up. Second circuit breaker is triggered. Now we're not trading for X amount of minutes. Okay, try again. Another $100 up. Third circuit breaker triggers. And up to $400. That's when I thought I read that after the 4th and final circuit breaker, there's no more circuit breakers. It'll just go. Like, it's just going to go. So, you know, you could have, I guess, potentially, first circuit breaker, second circuit breaker, third, fourth tripped, and then all of a sudden, it's a true free market after that point, and the price goes up higher, and it doesn't even matter. Like, there's no circuit breaker, it just keeps going up. Regarding silver, if it's $12 for the entire trading session, a $12 move, again, divided by 4, that means $3 moves, which is where I got the $3 from. So that means the first circuit breaker is triggered when silver goes in up, let's say, $3. Same thing applies. A few minutes of downtime. The markets are, you know, the silver market is at a standstill for minutes. It's, you know, press pause. As my kids love to say when we play games, when we're playing hide and seek or something. Daddy, pause. It's pause, Daddy. Daddy, come here. Where are you? Like I'm going to answer and I'm hiding. No. No pause. So the market's paused for X amount of minutes. Then they resume again. Up. Silver's up another $3 rapidly. Oh, that's a $6 total there. Circuit breakers kick in again. And then again, once it hits $12, that's 4 circuit breakers that would have tripped on the way up. And I believe after that, that's it. There's no more circuit breakers. It goes where it's going to go. Once again, WebBot. You're going to see $5 a day moves in silver. Not to be outdone, a little later, you're going to see $20 per day moves. The fact that these circuit breakers, these rule changes are about to be implemented in a few days, doesn't mean the next day or the next week or January or February or any other month coming up, all of a sudden markets are going to skyrocket. What it means is that they know the markets are going to skyrocket in gold and silver, price-wise, and they're preparing for it in advance like they always do when they need to do something. Get it done, But again, something like this, they're not going to put into play a rule change like this years in advance. Because the second any of us in the online community, forget online, just the precious metals community, see this, we're going to be screaming right now like we are, oh my God, did you see what happened? You know why they're doing this. And there's only one reason, because they know the price is going to go up. So they're going to hold on to that as long as they can until they can't really let that go any longer. Okay, now implement the rule change. Which tells us it has to be in the near future. But I don't know if that means it's a year out, a year and a half out, a month out. Again, it doesn't matter. The longer they can prolong this, the better, because then you and I can buy more silver. You know, like I said, fingers crossed, man. Come on. Tax returns coming right around the corner, man. Come on, hurry. Hurry. I want this, you know, a little more silver would be good for anybody, right? My own little late Christmas gift. So I wanted to clarify that because I gave you the full amount, $400 for gold yesterday, but I only gave you the triggering point of silver, which was $3, the first of 4 circuit breakers. So just a little clarification. Doesn't change anything. Same good news. Precious metals will be skyrocketing. The question is when and how soon. I don't have to know exactly. I just have to know what I just saw happened. And I wasn't sleeping. It happened. So, take care.